Hey everyone, good morning. So we just not completely, we are almost ready, and now we're gonna have breakfast. Good morning, Antra.
Good morning.
So we're gonna have breakfast now, and the spread looks nice. We have yeah, we have hot aloo parathe. Yeah, mixed parathe. Sorry. And I had mentioned you, right? There's a caretaker here. He had made it for us. Oh yeah. Hi Bolo. That is Virender Bhaiya. He made food for us. And last night also he made dinner for us and it was really, really nice. He made this chicken and rice and dal and everything. Yes, the mother is back to her duty. You all see how hot this is. Okay, so I'm gonna eat now. My hands are still frozen. I don't know if you all can see. It's all wrinkled up. Anyways, we will eat now. And we are heading to our second location. Where are we going?
First, you're covering Mashobra.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Like I mentioned, we're staying in Mashobra, so we're gonna cover Mashobra first, and then we're gonna go to Kufri.
then, no, Nandel.
Sorry, Naldera, and then we're gonna go to Kufri, and then we are staying in Fagu. So we're gonna go there. So we'll have breakfast now, and we'll start. And let's begin with day 2 then. For our first destination, we've come to this temple in Talai, and it looks very, very beautiful. The view from here is very, very scenic. I'm already panting. I need to climb more from here. The temple is right there. Just imagine the cold and so much physical exercise. Antra is obsessed with her wildlife photography, and this cutie is actually posing also. Hindi mein bol. He doesn't know. Hi. Come. He's so cute. Look at her hair, man. It's so fluffy. Look at his tail. Antra and her obsession with wildlife photography, and he's actually posing also. Such a cutie.
Wow, handsome, huh?
मैडम आज काटेगा ये और सन की कुत्ते होते हैं
ये प्यारा है।
प्यारा तो है पर इसके फायदा पता कुछ नहीं होता कुत्तों का इनका। ये गद्दियों का कुत्ता है, भेड़ बकरियों का।
गद्दियों का मतलब?
ये जो भेड़ बकरियां पालते हैं, हमारे पास छूट गया अभी 10-12 दिन से।
अच्छा।
ये हमारे को नहीं छोड़ता ये, जो हम इसको 10 दिन से सेवा कर रहे हैं।
Andhra almost got belted by the pujari. Apparently, it is. What do you say? They call what? Bhed bakriyo ka kutta. They take.
See, they just need love.
Okay. Yeah, actually.
Just love them. That's all.
That's all. He was so calm when she went and took pictures and all that. Very cute. But you all noticed, no? Their hair and all that. So bushy. Anyways, let's go to our next destination. So So we just reached Naldera and we're getting a little adventurous. We are going by horses. Honestly speaking, I feel pretty bad for them, but I think they will be okay. So we're gonna cover a lot of things. So let's go. Okay, so we are on top of the horse. Antara is on a
रफ्तार.
yeah.
His name is रफ्तार. इसका नाम क्या है?
इसका नाम घन्नू.
घन्नो.
Ghanno. This is Ghanno, and that is Raftar. And we are gonna
And the cuties.
start. They're cuties. भाई आपका नाम भी बताओ.
मेरा नाम बाली ठाकुर.
बाली ठाकुर.
बाली ठाकुर.
वैसे तो बालकृष्ण ठाकुर है.
बालकृष्ण ठाकुर इतना प्यारा नाम है, फिर आप बालकृष्ण ठाकुर नहीं बोला करो.
निक नेम है बाली.
Okay, so we are gonna go inside.
नहीं हो रो.
It's okay. The weather is kind of okay today. A lot of horses here. It's easier to travel by horses in here. So and
Okay.
कौन है?
So what my
शर्मा जी
mother.
इधर है गाड़ी में.
Yeah.
are you vlogging?
Yeah.
शर्मा
okay.
जी
So,
ढाबे में बुला
what
रहे
my
हैं.
mom said was, Amu, don't take horse. You're going to have back pain, severe back pain. And I said, yeah, okay, fine. I'll ask Mariam to take the horse, and I'll not take. But here I am.
Ta-da!
बड़े शेर
Auntie, I hope you're seeing this.
Because it'll take 1 hour for us to go. I'm ready to walk. But
Look at this cutie.
hi. Hey, you
Rishabh,
have a very
hi.
handsome one, yeah?
ना 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 दूसरा आगे से जाए. बढ़िया साइड है. फोटो जरा मैं आपको.
Dude, this one is slipping. I'm getting scared.
She's a girl. She takes
Sorry,
care of you.
she is slipping.
She's a lady. She takes
She's
care.
a lady. Still. Tuk 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 tuk. Rishabh's horse doesn't even have a person taking care of it. The horse is just going on its own.
भैया कुछ
See? Rishabh's horse doesn't even have anyone taking care of it. He's just riding it. We are at least connected, me and Antara. Oh God. Guys,
आपके पास फ्रेंड हॉर्स सही है.
I'm actually a little scared about this.
इंग्लिश में इनका नाम है ओक ट्री एंड सिडार.
Oh,
हिंदी में देवदार.
this is oak tree and Siddharth tree, guys.
Oh, horse rider, Mr. Rishabh.
They like giving like a full on training course to Rishabh.
ओके.
Rishabh is gonna sell his bike and he's gonna get a horse in Delhi now. He's gonna travel by horse from now. He's become like pro level horse driver. Honestly feeling bad. I don't know if they're tired. See, we are tired, we know. I don't even know if these creatures are tired.
We don't know if they've eaten.
Exactly.
And if we ask, obviously. You want to try
What?
asking them and then see if they're lying or not?
Sure.
अब जैसे आप आए हो यार भैया हमारी तरफ से 100-200
Ask.
या
हाँ जी मैडम.
इनको ये मान लो जब चलते नहीं है तो आप इनको मारते हो?
नहीं नहीं मारना क्यों.
नहीं मारते ना?
लगता है आपको कि मारते हैं हम इनको.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, प्यार से रखते हो ना?
बच्चों की तरह पालना पड़ता है.
थैंक यू भैया.
तो इनको जब ये
मैडम ये ना यूनियन के अंडर चलते हैं हॉर्सेज ना.
अच्छा.
अब जैसे 1500 दिया हो मेरे को नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ.
वो 150 घोड़े में डिवाइड होगा. 20-30 रुपए आते हैं हमारे हिस्से में.
अरे.
हमारा तो बस यही है. तो कई बार लोग दे जाते हैं 100-200 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा.
हाँ.
चने चुने का खर्चा निकल जाता है ना जी.
हाँ.
तो भैया ये लोग जब टायर्ड हो जाते हैं तो आपको पता कैसे चलता है?
फिर बूढ़ा होने लग जाता है ना जी घोड़ा.
अच्छा.
इनकी उम्र होती है 30 से 35 के बीच तक बस.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
30 से 35 for the audience it means 30 to 35.
बीच में केयर अच्छी होगी तो 35 तक पहुंचेगी.
हाँ.
अच्छा, कौन सा मूवी?
यहाँ पे हुआ था प्यार जुटता नहीं, कुदरत, अचानक, दीवाना, दोस्ती, बादल, क्रिश.
Krish.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
Acha, guys, Krish was shot here.
हो गया शिमला मिर्च हो गया। बाकी यहाँ पे आप एडवेंचर वगैरह भी कर सकते हो, जिप लाइन वगैरह रहता है यहाँ पे ना,
Oh, there are adventure sports over here.
क्योंकि यहाँ से ना हमारी वापसी नहीं होगी, वापसी का रास्ता दूसरा रहेगा।
अच्छा
तो जिप लाइन करनी है तो आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि बहुत प्यारा व्यू है यहाँ पे।
Come, guys, let's do.
तो सीधे बैठो, नहीं आपको रस्सी को बोला मैंने, हाँ बॉडी नहीं करना आपने।
What is this, Risha? What is this?
but for the first day
How will you ride in Delhi like this?
good for the first day it was very good
How will you ride in Delhi like this, Rishabh?
I can do 2 hours riding. Good boy, good boy.
भैया आस्ते आस्ते ही एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है,
समझ
ठीक है। अब बेटा ओ
तुझसे प्यार करता है
दे दो फोन, दे
तेरी
दो।
बहन है
Mitra wants to talk to the little cuties.
और देखो क्या क्या रेट है, क्या क्या करना है।
ये भैया करा देंगे आपको ना।
Where's my horse? Can I use it?
जाओ जी, फिर हम आगे जाएंगे।
Okay, now we're gonna go do some
नहीं लगेगा पूरा।
adventure. Antara wants to go and give kisses to everyone.
ये हॉर्स का इनको प्यार करेंगे।
Give off the third one also.
बाकी ऐसा नहीं, डाइट अच्छी रखनी पड़ती है ना खाने के लिए, फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं रहती है। चना घास फूड वगैरह अच्छे से देना पड़ता है।
Coming. She's giving kisses to them.
फिर ना हमने आगे जाना है।
Okay. Let's go do adventure sports. What all are we gonna do?
ड्रेस फोटो भी जाएगा मैं यहाँ पे,
हाँ?
शिमला कॉस्ट्यूम वाला।
अच्छा.
अच्छा
इसी ड्रेस के ऊपर से पहना जाता है, कोई चेंज नहीं होता इसमें। कलर अपनी चॉइस का लेना है, रेड है, ब्लैक है, ब्लू।
कितने का होगा
100 पीस देते हैं।
Will do.
ठीक है भैया
Google पे है आपके?
हाँ जी,
हाँ जी
ठीक है, done.
वो कर लो ना पहले।
So we'll go to adventure sports first. I'm not sure what all are there. I am aware that there is zip lining. Let's see what else is there. Okay, I think there's rock climbing, valley crossing, bamboo bridge. Okay, we'll see what all is there. That's whatever is interesting. We will do it. Weather looks nice, no? The
It's very sunny.
location is also very nice. The trees look pretty.
वो उधर देखो एक रोप लगी
These
है ना
are
उधर
the
से।
सीधे सीधे
हाँ सीधा सीधा इसमें, क्योंकि इसमें
रैपलिंग।
भैया ये
रैपलिंग
जो
को
कैंपिंग है
कैंपिंग मैक्सिमम समर में चलता है ये। आजकल जो ठंड का
कभी
मौसम
ठंड में बाहर आदमी काम के साथ जम जाएगी।
They're doing like a full-on inspection before going for the activities.
भैया यहाँ पे वॉशरूम है
वॉशरूम वो सामने है, हरी छत वाली।
Madam saw all this and she got so scared and now she wants to run
I'm
to the
not
washroom.
scared.
Shut up.
Oh, that.
How is the tea?
हाँ, very good. Come.
I don't drink tea.
and mom is going to see and she's going to be like हाँ heights में क्यों गई है so guys there's something and I'm advised to not go for heights driving da 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 underwater or water swimming तो नहीं करना है अब मेरी मम्मा ये व्लॉग देखेंगी और वो बोलेंगे तूने ये क्यों किया अब जिप लाइन इज वन ऑप्शन दैट आई कैन डू बट वो 300 का है तो मैं पैसों का सोच के हम लोग यही कर लेते हैं जान जाए कि तो जाएगी
Things I have to deal with. Oh, by the way, this is not my lipstick. We have a little dog that got too excited and just my face. Not intentionally, obviously. He was just so excited to see me that he just, jumped on my face and he didn't realize that. Now I've got a mini tattoo for my Shimla trip.
Stop.
serious talks are going on here
I can't do anything. Y'all are doing serious talks and I'm vlogging.
Which activity you wanna do?
Guys, this is all Sarojini. You all can follow me at Baby Devi. No, that's not me. You all can follow my Pinterest. I'll put the link below.
कौन सा करना है बताओ उनको.
गिर गया चाय का. ओके, वो दोबारा बन जाएगा मेरा ग्लव्स का क्या होगा?
Okay, Antara madam is prepping for her. Antara, what are you going for?
Going for bamboo bridge.
Bamboo bridge, yeah. The reason I'm not going for it is because I've been feeling a little off. So I'm not gonna do any activity here. Maybe later. I'm still getting used to the weather and the mist is, making it really hard for me to breathe. And there was a lot of U-pins over on the way here, which is very hard. Hence I couldn't. I was very nauseous, so I'm not gonna do anything. But yeah, Antara is gonna do. And I believe Rishabh is also gonna do. Let's see. Okay, go Antara.
रोहित शेट्टी, मेरा टाइम कितना हुआ है? कहाँ के कितने फ्लैग्स इकट्ठे करने हैं?
Ma'am is playing खतरों के खिलाड़ी on her own. खतरों के खिलाड़ी, no remote off.
प्यार पे मेरे यार जान सार है. मेरे को बोला गया था भैया मेरे साथ आएंगे.
धोखा दे दिया भैया ने.
भैया से छोटे बच्चों के साथ ही जाते हैं, क्या इज्जत रह जाएगी फिर आपकी.
That is true.
मेरी इज्जत बचा ली भैया ने.
How was it?
और कोई एक्टिविटी
Little psychotic.
हाँ भैया, ऊपरी जाके करेंगे.
Bye. Antara, bye. Antara madam, as usual, she's running around to do her things. She found that photo thing. Where is she? Oh, she's inside.
दोनों बाजू आगे को डालना है. हर पहाड़ में मिलेगी आपको पहने हुए बिन रंग.
हाँ, धातु ना, धातु. So guys, this what I have worn on top is called dhatu, and I want to buy this, but in the simple form. Sar ka Taj. What is that song from Khilji's?
This thing?
Yeah, I just remember Aditi Rao Hedri.
Habibi.
Malika Sherawat from
Malika
Guru.
Sherawat.
From Guru. Maya Maya.
Oh yeah.
But
That looks fancy. They have.
माहें मेरी ये शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी
अपने मोबाइल में निकालना है या हमारे कैमरे से निकालना है?
मायने मेरी ये शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर है. मायने मेरी ये शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी दूर. शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना. शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना.
देखो उसका महक।
This is saffron.
यहाँ की दो चीज अच्छी मिलेगी हमारे पास, एक तो केसर है ना, एक होता है शिलाजित।
भाई दिखाओ वो।
क्या शिलाजित?
नहीं saffron. हाँ केसर।
ये होता है और पूरा 3 पत्ती वाला केसर होता है हमारे पास। एक फूल होता है ना, एक फूल, उसमें सिर्फ 3 पराग निकलती है केसर की ऐसी।
So they're checking the kesar saffron. I'm not that. We don't use it much in our food, so I'm not looking much into it. But I think they are getting. I'm not sure. Anyways, it's starting to get cold. And y'all would have seen a lot of videos and photos and all that. I only have glove in one hand. My phone doesn't work with the glove on. That is why I cannot use it. Hey, I think these are our chutkus. So cute. There's one here. Okay. I like how the sun is just hitting my hair. Looks nice. So now we're gonna go explore a little more. We didn't do much here because they were asking like 350 for zip line, which was only like from a very short distance, maybe like from this tree to like this tree. That's all. And we felt that was a little too much. And Antara did a bamboo stick thing. And that was like 100, which I again felt was too much. But we took pictures in the traditional attire, so I will put that here. You can see it somewhere here. I'll put the pictures. And yeah, my hands have frozen, like frozen.
आप 10 ग्राम लेते ना मैडम, उसमें आपको फायदा होगा।
Look at these cuties. Honestly, so what the caretaker of the horse told is that both of them go as only jodis. Like they don't go separate. They're always together. So cute. And that is the one Rishabh came in. Soul Rider. Hi. Hi. Okay. I don't want to get hit or kicked over here. I've already got one here through an animal. I don't intend on getting more. Here he's measuring the saffron.
Cash नहीं है।
डबल कर देना पर भी उसको।
How many grams? 10 grams you all took?
5 grams.
5 grams. 5 grams per person?
No, only 5 grams.
Okay.
I have this one at home. I have this one at home.
Okay. It is a caretaker. Look at him just sitting there and playing games. Like I think he's playing like based game because we called him earlier. He's just like, there's selfie point. Is there a selfie point? You all go see that and come and then we'll see. Yeah, okay. And I saw he was playing. It's pretty cold.
This is my house, no?
Yeah. I mean, I've been telling it's cold like 10 times now. But it is cold. It is actually cold. I know. It's Shimla. I'm supposed to expect this. But still. Madam is still shopping there. I tried touching. She's like, don't touch me. Sorry.
Do again.
If it kicks me from the back, I'm done.
हाँ कुछ नहीं है।
ये बेचारा वो
बताओ.
बाकी डाउन में रिवर बहता है जी, सतलुज बाय रोड जाना हो 30 किलोमीटर है।
सतलुज।
हाँ जी, वहाँ पे रिवर राफ्टिंग, जेट स्की, बोटिंग, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी होती है वहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
बाकी गर्म पानी के चश्मे के कुंड वगैरह बने हुए हैं वहाँ पे।
ओह,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
वो गर्म पानी का तत्ता पानी आपने एक और नाम लिया था ना?
और स्प्रिंग वाटर ना जी, तत्ता पानी।
स्प्रिंग वाटर।
रिवर का नाम सतलुज है।
सतलुज।
हाँ जी।
मतलब क्या इसका?
सतलुज रिवर, या
रिवर का नाम है मैडम।
गंगा, यमुना, सतलुज, like that.
नदी का नाम है मैडम जी।
गंगा, यमुना, सतलुज, रावी।
यही नदी आपकी आगे जाके पंजाब आंकड़ा बांध में जाती है। बाकी लेफ्ट साइड में
These roads are very, very scary.
This is the high.
वहाँ का नाम है शाली टिब्बा।
That is
शाली टिब्बा शीतला माता मंदिर है।
Shali Tibba.
वहाँ
Wow.
पे जाना पड़ता है ट्रैकिंग करके, घोड़ा गाड़ी नहीं जाता वहाँ पे।
हाँ, मेरे दोस्त गए हैं। दोस्त की फैमिली है।
वहाँ लगते हैं 3 से 4 घंटे।
भैया ये आवाज क्यों कर रहा है?
वो धूल निकल रहा है नोट से।
अच्छा,
वो आपको नहीं बोल रहा कुछ।
मुझसे बहुत नाराज है। मैं चूने गई तो आवाज करने शुरू किया।
ऐसा होता है ना कि घोड़े के पास जब भी जाना भूल के जाना,
अच्छा,
मतलब बात करते हुए जाना है उससे। ऐसे को जाओगे अचानक तो फिर वो सोचेगा क्यों आ रहा है।
अच्छा। ओए ओए ओए।
है ना? हाँ जी, उनके लिए अलाउड रहता है। बाकी
Literally
लोगों को
going to the
जाना
side. I'm
अलाउड
so scared. Are you all seeing how small and narrow these
नहीं है।
roads
होता
are?
है दीपावली, नाग पंचमी जैसे बड़े त्योहार आते हैं ना,
This is the golf course here. Only members are allowed.
उसमें। और ये जो गोल्फ कोर्स है ये बना था 1905 में, लॉर्ड कर्जन ने बनाया था इसको।
Okay.
हाँ जी, ब्रिटिश टाइम का बना हुआ है। हिमाचल में बहुत मानते हैं देवी देवताओं को ना जी।
One
नाग
step
देवता को खास कर।
to the left, and that is where
बाकी ये
I'll be.
नीचे को जो रास्ता जा रहा है ये जा रहा है विलेज के लिए।
One step to the
गाँव
left.
पड़ता है ओडू।
I'm so
हाँ
scared.
जी, तो वहाँ से बच्चे डेली स्कूल
Oh
के लिए पैदल
God,
आते हैं। जहाँ
this is
नीचे
like
गाड़ी
a-
लगी है ना आपकी।
डेली स्कूल से ऊपर आते हैं?
नहीं नहीं, वहाँ से आते हैं स्कूल के लिए मैडम।
अच्छा।
जहाँ नीचे गाड़ी है ना आपका लगा,
हाँ।
वहाँ सीनियर सेकेंडरी।
As a generation, I wanted to tell everybody that we're not so fit,
Yeah.
and we should be working
मोटे
towards.
लोग कम मिलेंगे आपको यहाँ पे।
We should be working
सारे fit
towards
and fine।
our fitness so that we don't have to trouble these poor souls,
जब सीजन होता है ना मैडम,
cuties, and we can.
तो दिन
actually
के
trek in
25 से
now.
30 से 35 किलोमीटर चलते हैं डेली के हम लोग।
See the kids here
यहाँ से देखो
walk
आपकी
for
नीचे
2
को गाँव।
hours.
Left
Yeah,
side
the
में।
kids here to go to school, they
वो
walk
मैडम
for
गाँव,
2
यहाँ
hours.
से बच्चे आते हैं।
That is a village. I don't know if you all can see it. See, that is the village, and people come all the way up till here
होती है ना।
to go to school through these roads. It's not a road, this path. Okay, so it takes 2 hours for them to come up till here, and they do that every day up and down.
ऐसा है ना। बिल्कुल।
Oh my
आगे
god,
आपके
guys, one step and I'll be somewhere else altogether.
हाँ।
But I'm sure these are trained enough.
ये
100% they are
देखो नीचे
trained.
को राइट साइड में गोल्फ कोर्स का व्यू ना, इसमें दीवाना
Now we've reached at a spot that is Naldera's.
टेंपल 7,500 feet above sea level।
Yeah, we are 7,500 feet above sea level.
यहाँ ही गिरता है मैडम।
This is a temple. And in winter, the first snowfall falls here always. That is what he says. That
आगे
is
को सारा लवर पॉइंट के नाम से फेमस है।
this is also known as the Lovers Point. Yeah. Over here.
वो देखो हिमालयन व्यू पीछे, चाइना बॉर्डर हिमालयन रेंज।
Wow.
12 महीने बर्फ रहता है यहाँ पे।
That is
हाँ जी, और ये
the
रोड जाता है देखो
Himalayan
सामने से
border,
नीचे से ना,
China.
ये जाता है किन्नौर स्पीति लद्दाख होते हुए चाइना के लिए। और ये BRO के अंडर है जो आर्मी की
So that is
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है,
the
बॉर्डर रोड
Himalayan,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
and that is the China border.
अब आपने बॉडी वेट थोड़ा पीछे को रखना है जी, क्योंकि हम लोग डाउन
Oh, wow.
यहाँ पे पीछे को शिमला व्यू है।
That is Shimla.
फोगी, यहाँ का नाम है फोगी।
Guys, this is right here. I'm so scared.
यहाँ पे वापसी रह के नीचे
Bro, can you see where my horse is going? I'm very scared.
कैसी लगी आपको जगह?
Still. We decided to take the high road and look at this view. Just look at this view, guys. After reaching this far, I realized that I dropped my glove. I kept it here. Acha, if you're seeing this, sir, I have one. It was my dad's. I anyways have a name for like losing a lot of my things. Oh, by the way, I lost my mic also. I really don't know where I left it. I actually don't remember where I left it. I think I kept it in one of my jackets yesterday because when there was like a snowfall, and I misplaced that also. So in my list of things I lost my mic and my glove now.
Guys, these are Kinori.
This is just my face. Wait.
So guys, we just learned that these are Kinori Godas. Goda and Godis.
You're riding a Goda. No,
I'm riding a Goda.
I'm riding a Godi. This is a Godi.
Normally.
Yeah. School we spoke about earlier. It's those green color roof. Those buildings with the green color roof. That is the school. God. They will have to walk like 2 hours and travel and come here for it. What is she doing? I swear I don't know.
Imagine guys how much he has walked.
Yeah, the whole ride. Hi, cutie. Come to Gugno Dhaba for lunch. We thought we'll have some authentic Himachali food. Thais. Making garam rotis. भैया दिखा दो क्या क्या है.
आलू वाइट बीन,
क्या है ये?
आलू वाइट बीन लोबिया बोलते हैं इसको।
अच्छा लोबिया.
ये दाल मखनी,
दाल मखनी.
ये कढ़ी है।
क्या है?
कढ़ी
कढ़ी. अच्छा ओके.
ये राइस।
So we're getting a thali of this whole thing. These are rotis. She's making hot. Place looks very pretty. Oh, Antara is already sitting there. Couldn't find her. Ma'am is busy taking pictures. Ma'am, autograph please. Ma'am, autograph. We have Acharya.
अच्छा 2 घंटे का नंबर है 200 सस्ता
Oh
बेसिक
yeah,
वाला
pretty paintings. So that little one staring at
कवर करने को बोला था.
So
तो उसमें तो ये भी आता है.
got white rice. So this is our meal, and we'll see you once we're done. the view that is there from the restaurant that we just came to. How was the lunch?
Yummy.
It was
ढाबा
actually
का
nice.
खाना हमेशा खाना.
It's actually nice. Hey, that's our cab bhaiya.
He's a cutie.
Yeah, so we will head to our next place. Not really sure where exactly we're going, but hey, look at these cuties. I was telling you, no, they are very, very furry, fluffy. Very cute.
कितना हुआ?
All trying some cream roll.
कितना हुआ?
Maybe I'll sit outside. Oh my god, the dog is coming towards me. Hold. Hi, cutie. Hold.
Hold it.
Yeah. Take orange they gave. Okay. That one looks like an Indian version of a Saint Bernard.
Exactly. The face is too broad.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat my cream roll. These cuties look very, very hungry. Marigold is healthy for them. I wouldn't say healthy, but then yeah, they can eat it. It's good because it's arrowroot, no? Now that earlier I never used to feel this way, but then now since I have come across pets and I have a pet puppy, I actually understand. I actually feel for them. So they're eating. I had to give them company. They're feeling it. I got orange. Okay, let's head to our next destination. Bye. No, not bye. Let's see you soon. Bye. Again, bye. We'll see you soon.